She is in the shadows. I just hit her with the foot. You should record her when I brush her.